I'm Sean Delaney with Delaney Antique Clocks, and today we're featuring a fantastic chime clock. It was made by Tiffany Company Makers, New York. The Tiffany Company Makers Clock Division manufactured this impressive chime clock, and it's numbered 475. They actually have an order book that corresponds with these order numbers and the number the clock was. It was one of two clocks completed on April 22nd, 1888. Both of which are recorded as chime clocks and were ordered for stock. This clock originally cost $153 for labor and materials, and it's a very costly price, which translates from the year 1888 to 2022 to $4,772. It is one beautiful clock. Has a fantastic leafed cast bezel, beautiful dial with this chime silent feature of the Tiffany style Arabic numerals. Just a great dial. Has fluted brass fully turned columns. Stands on these nicely floral themed cast feet. Has 4 fleur-de-lis finials. The case is a dome top case. It's in black walnut. This is a very impressive clock. Has these pierced brass frets, which helps let the sound project out, and then the carrying handles on each side. And when you come to the back, you'll see it has a beautiful movement. It has 5 gongs. It's stamped on the back. Tiffany Company Makers was numbered, and the pendulum is numbered as well, 475. Look at the quality of the plates. Has a beautiful chime to it. Plays a progressive Westminster chime. Then it strikes the hour. It's also signed on the dial in the lower chapter ring, Tiffany Company Makers. If you like beautiful antique clocks, please visit DelaneyAntiqueClocks.com. Thanks for watching.